Welcome to this week's edition of Parking Network News. EasyPark Group announced the arrival of the beta version ANPR in Stockholm, a new parking guidance service which helps drivers find an available parking space in the city. ANPR combines parking data with various other unique data sources to then calculate the optimal route for drivers to find parking along the way to their destination. Leeds Bradford Airport has announced that it is opening its new Viking Airport parking service in April 2018 and will be installing its first vehicle damage recording system from ANPR International. The system is to be installed at the newly constructed meet and greet parking area and will ensure that the condition of customers' vehicles are accurately recorded in full HD images before the vehicle is left to the valet parking team. Project W was recently commissioned to install their Integra safety barriers for the car park of the new headquarters of the Austrian Automobile, Motorcycle and Touring Club in Vienna. The building includes a car park with 265 parking spaces distributed in 6 mezzanines. Creditcall announced it has signed a definitive agreement to be acquired by NMI, a leading provider of payments enablement technology. The acquisition will bring together NMI's nearly 2 decades of e-commerce and m-commerce expertise with Creditcall's industry-leading support for payment devices. Less than a month to go for the 2018 Intertraffic Amsterdam at the Rai Convention Center. Make sure to stop by our booth to say hello. Parking Network will also be at Parking Today's Parking Industry Exhibition, which will take place from March 26th to the 29th. For more information, visit the Events tab at parking-net.com. That's it for this week's Parking Network News. Tune in next week for another episode. In the meantime, please check out our website and follow us on social media to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Carolee Molina. See you next time.